Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be checking out the Allan and the Nesta Ferguson scholarship. This is a postgraduate scholarship for students who are interested in pursuing their postgraduate programs at the University of East Anglia in UK. This scholarship is for international students. The Allan and Nesta Ferguson scholarships are available to international students who have applied to study full-time one-year master's course in the School of Global Development at UAE. UAE stands for University of East Anglia. Applicants must be a national of or permanently domiciled in one of the following countries. So the following countries are eligible to apply for this scholarship. We have Afghanistan, Angola, Benin, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cambodia, Cameroon, Chad. There are so many of them. A lot of African countries. We even have Ghana here. We have Kenya. We have Pakistan. We have Nigeria. We have Niger. We have Nepal, Senegal. So many of them. What I will do is that I will leave the link to this portal in the description of the video, so you can come and check and see if your country is eligible to apply for the scholarship. Please, let's proceed. Each scholarship will fund the students' international tuition fee and provide them with a maintenance grant of £12,000 so that they can live in the UK and be able to cover the cost of living, travel, and visa. This scholarship will be awarded on the basis of financial need to applicants from any of the listed countries. To be considered for this scholarship, you will need to apply by submitting an application form by the 19th April 2024. So this is the deadline, April 19, 2024. This is for postgraduate thoughts, as I stated earlier. So this scholarship covers your tuition fee and your maintenance, and the total value of the scholarship is £29,997.75. Great. For the year 2024. These are the further criteria necessary to be awarded this scholarship. It must be for an international fees, it must be self-funded, you must demonstrate genuine financial need, and you must be applying to the School or Faculty of Global Development. The following courses fall under the Faculty of Global Development at the University of East Anglia. We have MA Global Development, MA Conflict Governance and Global Development, MA Global Development. We have part-time, we have full-time. Then we have MSc Impact Evaluation for Global Development. We have MA Media and Global Development, MSc Global Media Economics, MA Gender Analysis in Global Development, MA Global Social Development, MA Globalization, Business and Sustainable Development, MSc Climate Change and Global Development. We have MA Global Development, I'll be starting in January 2024. We equally have MSc Environment and Global Development. Please, if you are interested in this scholarship, I'll leave the necessary links in the description box so you can check it out and apply. Okay, let's click on the apply button and see where it takes us to. This is the apply button. Okay, you can see the form here where you are required to fill in your name, your email address, date of birth, phone number, the master's course you'll be applying to, whether it is a full-time or part-time course, and then your country of nationality, your country of birth, country of residence, and then your address, before you now come down here and answer some questions, some essay questions. Explain in no more than 500 words why you should be awarded this scholarship. And then this other one, the scholarship will be awarded on the basis of financial need. Please use this section to tell us anything that we should take into account about your financial circumstances. 500 word limit. To me, this scholarship is very simple to apply to. When you're done filling the form, you come here and click to give your consent to the above statement, and then you submit your application. I wish you best of luck as you apply. Remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Right, bye and see you again in my next video.